Ritko neria Ijumaa tariki 30 cy'umutenyi wa gatano narimo umwaka w'ekiru 2023 ritko ryo mwero bono ryo mutenyi wa gatano narimo kerobono ngo kwarigania SMS Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere ngomanye bunanara yana kwariganire asenjera ere yobwenye mwanchi umurigera rinkwege na ritko rya ondigenderete ko bari toyero kegima nane no genderete ko yagokya asokubwatie mirobero yonsi ya Ndizi TV nabwo obwansu bwo mu Gusii na manga genderete okorekana imense ya Kenya ekero troche buna umurai wense Dr. William Samoei Ruto amono mokonyo ya Rigathi Gachagua nigo bare ya samagacho AKICC bunentremo yogo chake bene obokoreri gosobotumekiwe chinjera chekerero ase emerobero au kerobona baraya bubabere bawekerana chinsemo au nakoboya mabori nabo igo kworokereri wa igoro yobotumekiwe chinjera chekerero ase sector au nechinga kibo igo muraibe kyama kya ODM Raila Amolo Odinga aberega wekerana imeye county ya Homa Bay ase okwenekia okoigorwa kwegeti kia Raila Odinga Stadium ekyo kiabeire kegokorwa kwa gachwa asabarai au bagenderete gwikirana ase omuyegoyo ibono mancho murigeri ngo kwarigani nkomanya ina kwariganira senchera ere yobwenge ekerongo kwenyara buna sensemo ya Facebook nabo kogendera gotonyara wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube otonyara wetera Ndizi TV News asomutandao Twitter nabo gotwitwetera @Ndizi TV News eri togendera gosanga nabo igo kwemanyia amanke eretriane Everlyne Osero tokubwaterana nere Joshua Uta kwenike una wekere asensemo ya imanyererio sanga na intuikomoerio Mwanji umuriga ibonongo sabo kwabira nigo umugoseo ryo tukubataranera sensemo yebimanyererio Joshua Uta teyo ritko rero togotigana nigo togo chaka senchera yoboikiranu awasumurai wense Dr. William Samoei Ruto amono mokonyo ya Rigathi Gachagua egatia baraibande bagendrete no murobero bogo chakya bene obutumekiwe chinchera chekerero bunenchireyemo yogo konya ense ya Kenya wakegetambukiro asensemo ya magendro murobero ngo gendero koreka na asamagacho AKICC imeyo mucho Nairobi awase abawaziri kurwase chiwizara au bagendrete kworokia ebitambukero nabo igo emirobiriri babekire yo gutumekiwe chinchera chekerero ase chinsemecho nigo muwaziri bwa buremi gose agriculture medical inturi abairega komorokia umurai wense ko gose emirobiriri babere bakubeka yo gutumekiwe chinchera chekerero asogo kinya sector yo buremi askeri atayire na goikabono nigo abarimi babere bagokonyeka asengencho obokorerio bonge kurwa sector yo nigo bakonyora wetera ase ugutumeka kisimi eyere enjera yekerero boigo ntwaruro murai wense nabagakoyorokiga koirwa sensemo ya obochenu awasumu waziri bwobochenu Susan Nakumicha abagakomworokeria igoro yali babere bagokora asenseme yo erikweneke bunaba 90 babere bagoikera obokoreri ase enjera ya bwangu kegima gotumeka enjera yekerero bayigona bawikera nase chinsemo au gati yabo ase chibengi nakoroki wabuna obutumekiwe kerero bogotumekwa ase chibangi egati ye chinsemo chinde achinga kibono omurai wense Dr. William Samoei Ruto agenda tatauna emirobere yobotumekiwe chinchera chekerero nigera chekworobya ensemo ya magendro imeyense ya Kenya anene asokorwa obokoreri borobu yago chiase abananchi gokeania amangana yobokurumi anene ase chiabisi chobokoreri bwa serikali nabo igo kworoberia abananchi ase obwale buri bakogenda konyora obokoreri asatere unasama tukari bosomba begete mirobero yogo kinya chinseme chiga eriyo kworoberia abakenya obugima
and ruguru yes and advice in the kind of crop you can do tuendele hapo. These are cereals you can do it. There are flowers there. Fruit trees, pears, mira. You can also do mira, Your Excellency. And when we get to Meru Tunde later in the afternoon, we can get a few. Those are the tubers. And tuendele. Like, let's also check Wajia, Your Excellency. It's important because the DP is satisfied. You know, people may think that in those semi-arid areas, you may not be able to grow anything.
Togotigana nayo nigo omurai wense Dr. William Samuel Ruto baigaberega kubeka essay aseri chiko liebirie chibesa chiko sangiriro kurwa sebango ase county nabo igori chiko lyo bagibwe chibesa ase chinsemo au eryo kwenekia ogo ikeraniwa kwa magendero chibilie cho Ibere nigo chira chiko konya ase county chonsi emeronke ne na Isano na Ibere mense ya Kenya go ikera chibesa chia magendero aso mwaka bwe chibesa mwaka bwe chibibere na meronke Ibere na isato no mwaka wechi Ibere na meronko Ibere na inye chishiringi chi bilioni chimi sato meronge tano ne tato na Isano nukta inye nigo chiabachi kubwato kwa ase obokoreri wechi county awase county ya Nairobi yabaga konyora chibesa chi nyinge echo chire chiringi chi bilioni meronko Ibere asensemo yobagi wechi besa chi saine nigo chiringi chi bilioni 10 chiabere chi kobekwa ase chinsemo au gatia bensemo ya mache ensemo yechpara chinguru chomurero nabayigo ensemo yobochenu ekerumurai wense atebire buna chibese choni gochpente gutumeka asenchire bwenarte eriwe ikirania magenderero asaba na nchi.
Sir, the first bill, the Equalization Fund Appropriation Bill, Senate Bill number 3 of 2023, was passed by the Senate on the 15th of June 2023 and subsequently the National Assembly on 21st June 2023. Sir, the second bill, the County Allocation of Revenue Bill, Senate Bill number 16 of 2023, was passed by the Senate on 6th June 2023 and similarly received the seal of approval of the National Assembly on 21st June 2023. Your Excellency, with both houses of Parliament having discharged their lawmaking mandate, Your Excellency, as the head of government and state, is most graciously invited to exercise your presidential prerogative to assent to the bills. With Your Excellency's
Omurai wekiama kia ODM Raila Amolo Odinga amona baraibande ni gobariganiwe bene no mugavana we county ya Homa Bay Gladys Wanga ase county yo ya Homa Bay eryo kwenekia okoigorwa bene kwegeti kia Raila Odinga Stadium ekyo kiabage kwegwa erieterio kobwatkana Nesco yo murai wekiama kia ODM Raila Amolo Odinga kobwatkana ne chingose ne chingakcha yabereka gutumeka anene aso korwanirira obosbore wense ya Kenya negeti kiaberege kwa gachwa asegeka kemiaka kianda ekyo kiaberege koira chishiringi chimilioni chimisato meronge tano no mona kianda asekera begeti gose kiarosiwe koimokia abantu chiribu 10 ase abarai korwa se county ya Homa Bay bagenda totayona goikababe bakuresco asumura yobe kiama kia ODM Raila Amolo Odinga asemerememia abereka gokorera abakenya. Waziri bwamangana yobotari Penny na Malonza nigatebe na eserekari nigegendrete gosiria chingiti choro sana ase na mbenene kobwatkana na keria bagotana no goitwawe chingiti choro sana korwase abantu nigatebire na omuchando yo nigo bacho kwenekia obere gokoera emergency ya Kenya chinga kyanganata kubolia abantu kwenekia buna kobwatira na bare korwase chinsemo chonsi ase okorenda chingiti choro sana ane chinga kicho morobere kubeko koiwana inse ya umurobiro manyikante buna Lusaka agreement asoko bwatarana kwena kebuna chingiti choro sana chiabere chikorendwa.
Moving forward, it is our hope that the Lusaka agreement assumes a pivotal role in global biodiversity conservation with specific focus on compacting wildlife and forest crimes and addressing the threat of climate change.
Key challenges that the Lusaka agreement has been faced with is mobilization of adequate financial resources.
One of my biggest tasks will be reaching out to other countries within Africa so that they can join the Lusaka Agreement task force, whereby we can lobby our voice together and give one position, voice of Africa in terms of compacting transnational wildlife crime.
Simultaneously, we must utilize our knowledge of the criminal justice system to combat poaching and transnational organized wildlife crimes.
Omuchando bwa machi nigogendrete kwene kiwa sensemo ya Malindi imeye county ya Kilifi oyobere gokoirera abamenyi kurwase Chinsa chowe soke na gokora ukorobekana askeri anene bakumochia company ya machi na utayona nigo etaliko igorera gosekubwatuka machi asenchera ebwenerete ikini okeire omugavana bwe county ya Kilifi Gideon Mungaro kwene kiya goseko baenekeria abamenyi bensemeyo buna nigo abekire gosekamati gochigochorwa elio kugayana enganeyo na kwene kiabuna abamenyi bensemei babeire bakonyora amache gukwana chinga kecho Mungaro nigo boigo alire ira yo kugayana aimechando yonsi ase Chinsa mecho no nteri omuchando bwa mache bwoka kurende mechando ende menge yo kwene kiabuna chira chiri abetega koliera abamenyi be county ya Kilifi chia magendero chiabere chigo ikiraniwa.
And I assure you from tomorrow, we will have taken action on all the people we think should probably step aside while we are doing investigation of the issues raised. So I'm asking also the staff of that water company to stick to their work and work. We have heard what they have said and we have taken action. Kama wametafuta avenue zote zikashindikana, hata hao nimeambia board pia wale watajua ndio walikuwa ring leaders ya kufunga milango, kuweka magari, kuziba maana leo tumepoteza pesa ngapi ya wateja walikuwa wanataka kutulipa. Hata hao pia wote nitapeleka nyumbani. Wataitwa na kamati ya board wajieleze, wakishindwa kujieleza hata watakaa kando kidogo kwanza. Tuangalie tabia zao.
Abachumbe ase bungenene ya serikali nigo bakanire ogochorwa kwaye Phyllis Wagasha abwe myaka 52 buna oyo mubwa bakoremeremo ase kiombe kerige teneto gwakane misara kwa bakoremeremo Salaries and Remuneration Commission SRC aske bagoteba buna awebeire kagwikia emyaka yomutimoko nego ise kwe wali bagase ensemeyo nigatachwe ikerania obokoreri buna ebwenerete nabono ni baganirie abantu bekegoriegeke abo bwate chinguru cyo goikerania obokoreri borobya babe bakwewa libagerio.
The many years of hard work she put both in public service and in pursuing her academic qualifications, being a certified public accountant, being a financial analyst, holding a bachelor's degree in commerce and a master's degree, and the discussion became who was she married to. And maybe this House Honorable Speaker needs to ask ourselves whether we accord the same treatment when we are vetting the male that come to this House, or when we vet any male candidates in any particular position. Honorable Speaker, I beg to move that this House approves the appointment of CPA Mary A.C. Wanyonyi as a chairperson for Commission on Revenue.
That CPA Mary is one of those very qualified persons in the Republic, and she has a very good track record of public service, actually proven track record of public service, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I want to say she's qualified, and I want to ask the House to approve so that she can start working for this country.
This House approves the appointment of CPA Mary S.C. Wanyonyi as a chairperson of the Commission on Revenue Allocation. As members of that opinion say aye. Aye. Will those of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it.
Mwanchi umurigereria negatiari na kwariganiritia senchera yobwenye Chinsa Isano na Ibere kurenda ya munaenda manke ntogendrete kwariganiria ayina cyo kumanyana inda senchera yobwenye kero kirarage Chinsa ikomi ekarbono bono torarare aba waziri korwase chiwizara au bagendrete kwerera buna nara yaya bakorire asobutumiki bw'echinchera cyekerero eryo kwena ki obokorero bya bwabeire bogo ikerwa n'abananchi ase chiwizara cyo bego ntogendrete okubwatere nara yagendrete okorekana ase county ya Omabei kubwatikana no kuigorwa kwegeti kya Raila Stadium gono mancho muligereri tobasa guskare gendera kubwate miroberi yonsi ya Ndizi TV na bwo obwansu bwo Gusii nyora buna sensemo ya Facebook na bagotonyora wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube otonyora wetera Ndizi TV News asomutanda Twitter na bagotwitwetera @Ndizi TV News eri togendere gusanga na boigo kwemanyia amanke eri tariane Everlyne Osero twabwatera nere Abigail Nyanchamo yene kebuna chibicha neryogi cyawikeire senchura yabene twaro buligereri borobya nabo igo umubaso oromotoerero.